Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dave Stone with another exciting episode of Develop Awesome Skills, where I'm committed to providing inspirational and practical ways to transform your life and the world around you by planting fruit and medicinal trees. And today we're going to continue talking about irrigation. In this episode, we're going to get ready to tap into the main line and turn the system on. So stay tuned. Alright, so this process is the same pretty much for every connection that you're going to make. So I'm just going to show you how to do this once and you'll get it really quick. A couple extra additional things that you should probably have is some gloves and some sandpaper. So I have my gloves, sandpaper, my cutting tool, and then the glue and my fitting connector. So right here, when you dig up pipe, you really want to make sure that this is clean. So I like to take my glove and just kind of take all the dirt from around it. Kind of clean it off. And then it's a good practice to take some sandpaper, kind of rough it up where you're going to cut it. Now you want to make sure you open your can first. Make sure it's got a nice good dab on it, leave it open. And then take this, have it really close to ready. Pull your knife open and then come down and cut. Still some water in this line, so now I need to dry these off. And since this has a little bit of, I'm going to actually need to slice a little bit of this pipe off, because it'll probably take that much off. About there. That much. And now I'll dry these off. I'm going to put something underneath this over here. Keep it propped up. Okay. Now I always like to put the glue on the inside of these holes. Right here and here. And then put it in. Slide it in. Push it down, get it in there. There we go. There it is. That is all glued. So now I'll do it with the end of this pipe. And what I like to do is I like to blow out the pipe, making sure there's no dirt in there first. Like that. And then I'll clean off this edge, give it a little sandpaper. And then put glue on the inside. There it is. So that one's connected. And now I can actually run it and connect this whole back system right now. So I'm going to throw a few more connectors in and then connect this to that back system. Stay tuned. Now if you have a fitting like this, it's dirty on the inside, roll up some sandpaper and then just kind of like get it inside, clean that out. go ahead and put your fingers in there and just wipe out any dust. Yeah, so now it's clean in there for the seal. All right, there we go. Now we're all connected to the backyard. Now what I'm gonna do is go make sure that the back is all plugged up, start putting the sprinkler heads on everywhere that they go, and then we're gonna test the pressure of this system. So thank you for watching this episode, and in the next episode, we're gonna tap into the actual system and hook everything up and see how it works with so many bubbler heads on one zone. So tune in next time for the next episode of installing your own irrigation system in your yard.